Firstrade Investing Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Firstrade and related products are in the description. Let's get straight into the review. Firstrade is a commission-free brokerage designed for cost-conscious investors who want a simple, low-cost way to trade stocks, ETFs, options, and mutual funds. Unlike many competitors, Firstrade offers truly free trading, zero commissions on all trades, including options, with no contract fees. This makes it an excellent choice for active traders looking to minimize costs. One of Firstrade's standout features is its extensive selection of mutual funds. With over 11,000 funds available, many with no transaction fees, it's a great option for long-term investors building diversified portfolios. The platform also provides access to fixed-income investments like bonds and CDs, something many modern brokers lack. For options traders, Firstrade is especially attractive because it offers zero per contract fees, making it one of the most affordable platforms for options trading. However, advanced traders may find the platform lacking in analytical tools compared to interactive brokers or Thinkorswim. Firstrade also supports international investors, offering multi-language customer support and accessibility for non-US residents, a feature that sets it apart from many US-based brokerages. Despite its cost advantages, Firstrade has some weaknesses. The platform's research tools and charting capabilities are basic compared to competitors like TD Ameritrade or Fidelity. There's also no support for fractional shares or cryptocurrency trading, which might be a deal-breaker for some users. Additionally, Firstrade does not offer margin trading, limiting flexibility for traders who use leverage. Overall, Firstrade is best suited for investors who prioritize commission-free trading, mutual fund access, and simple long-term investing. If you need more advanced research tools, fractional shares, or crypto access, other platforms may be a better fit. Check out the links in the description to explore Firstrade and alternative brokers.